baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season. Shine bright as that.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is a crochet hair tutorial. I'm super excited to try some new hair for you guys. I've really been loving these human hair crochets, and today I have some to share. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and share this video with a friend. It super helps me out. Now let's go ahead and jump into the video. And today we have hair from YWigs. Of course, they sent me a little care package, all the things you need to create your look. And I love when they send these beaders. These beaders are really nice too if you like using those or the traditional ones, either one. Looks like I have 3 nice size bundles. These are 22-inch loose deep wave hair in a natural color. So let's go ahead and open one up. And this is human hair, of course, so you can color it, bleach it, dye it, install it multiple times. You want to make sure you take care of the hair though. You want to keep it moisturized, washed, clean. You know, just take care of the hair so that you can use it more than once. Really beautiful wave. I'm wearing a black shirt. Why in the world am I wearing a black shirt? You can't even see the curl pattern. Beautiful wave texture. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna leave a little bit of leave out. I'm only gonna wear this hair in a middle part. This is not gonna be one of my like super most versatile styles. I really just want a middle part because I don't want to have to do too much blending, but I do like this look and I think it's gonna be very, very pretty in a middle part or just like a flip over type of style. So let me show you my braid pattern. My hair is already braided down. Let me take off this. I have a half wig on because I had to take the kids to daycare this morning, so I didn't want to be looking crazy at school. At drop off, I should say. So I left this much hair out. So I'll just do, you know, a modest middle part and then just put some hair, you know, to the back. My daughter had her sweet 16 and it was a beautiful, beautiful party, but it was so much work. My hair has been like low-key neglected. So I'm actually glad to be putting these crochets in because I won't have to do my hair for a little while. And I definitely need a protective style to give me a break from styling my hair and wearing hats and wigs. So yeah, my braids are not the greatest. I literally just have a braid going up and another braid going up and then some braids going down in the back and then just 2 two braids going across the nape of my neck. Now last time I crocheted in some human hair, I definitely had some kind of slip out. So what I'm gonna do this time is crochet it in twice. So that's how I'm gonna do it. And I think I'm gonna change this black shirt. I don't know what I was thinking wearing a black shirt because you can't see what I got going on. So I'm gonna change my shirt and then I'm gonna continue crocheting in, and I'm going to come back when I have a little bit more crocheted and you can kind of see what I'm doing at the front. But this is the basic idea. Crochet the hair in, loop it through 2 times and knot it off after the second time. Oh, and let me show you what the actual hair piece looks like. Human hair crochet is a little different than your pre-looped synthetic hair crochet. So you have your cotton piece of thread right here. This is the thread. And then you have 2 wound up pieces holding the strands of hair together. So this is what your crochet hair is going to look like when it's human hair crochet. And this is the part you want to loop underneath your cornrows. All right, so I did my makeup. I finished putting in the hair. This is what the install is looking like. I really love it. I think it's so pretty. The issue now will just be blending my hair into these curls. I'm gonna give the hair a little bit of a trim, and then I'm going to blend my hair out. All right, there we go. And now we need to get my leave out together. All right, so I think I'm just gonna keep going all the way around and doing this, and then I'm gonna do some edge control at the roots. I mean, at the roots, at the front. All right, so now that it's all, you know, somewhat blended, we're gonna grab our GLEEmade edge control. Gonna add some around the perimeter. And get the perimeter kind of slicked. Now, we didn't leave anything around our perimeter. The only leave out we left was our middle part. So we'll just slick this down as best we can, because again, we don't really have any leave out here. You could put a band around this if you really want it to kind of stay sleeked. But for my purposes, that's, you know, a little less important to me. All right, and there you have it. Your blended leave out with your curly bundle. Well, they look like curly bundles, but this is crochet hair. And speaking of bundles, we do have half a pack of hair left and a little bit extra. So this is half a pack and a little bit extra. So we use 2 full packs. Remember, each pack has 2 bundles of hair in it. So we use 2 full packs, And this is all we have left from the last pack. So we have a half a bundle, or excuse me, 1 bundle and a half. So we used 2.5 packs of hair pretty much. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love these curls. These curls are so pretty to me. It's hard to believe that this is crochet, to be honest. It looks so pretty. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And you can always do less leave out. Less leave out will require a whole lot less blending. But I wanted to try it with some leave out to see how it would work out. And I really do like this. I like this style. So if you have questions, leave it in the comment section down below. If you have questions on how I installed the hair, how I styled it, anything you might have a question for, leave it in the comments down below and I got you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video.